Are you struggling to make money with your YouTube live streams? We're going to show you 5 ways that you can easily monetize your live streams. We know that money isn't everything, and that's okay. That's why we don't monetize these StreamYard videos, and it's also why StreamYard has a forever free version. For a lot of creators though, we know that making enough just to keep the stream going makes all the difference between continuing and stopping live streaming. Which is why we're going to help with our first tip. The first way is with affiliate programs. Now, most of these are free to sign up for, and you just need to link your YouTube channel if it asks for a website or social page. Popular ones include Amazon, Epidemic Sound, and StreamYard. That's right, we do have our own affiliate program that you can earn money with by referring people to StreamYard. In fact, we'll have more information about this and other ways you can make money linked in the description down below. Now, some of the pros of affiliate programs are that it's pretty easy, and once it's set up in your YouTube description, it can help you earn money passively, and some offer monthly payment options. The cons of that is some programs like Amazon have a one and done kind of transaction, and others do have higher requirements to join. Overall though, it really is a net positive and an easy way that you can make money with your YouTube live streams. Same with our next tip, which is merchandise. Merchandise is a great way to earn additional money. There are many different options, but we'll use Spreadshop for the example of this video. Spreadshop is free to sign up for, and once you have a design you like, an example is StreamYard shirts, you can set up your shop to sell those items and make income too. Another cool thing you can do is work with your audience to design stuff they want and helps you both. Once you hit the requirements on YouTube to have a merch shop, you can also link your shop on YouTube. This means you can feature merchandise on your live streams and gives you the opportunity to earn money while you're streaming. The pros of merchandise is once you have your design and it's print on demand, you can make money decently easily with it. With the integrations directly into YouTube, it's easier than ever. Now the cons are that it can be tricky to design something good, and similar to other affiliate sales, it can kind of be a one and done transaction. Overall though, merch lets you connect deeper with your audience and you have something physical to show for your work. The next tip is donation links. There are many companies that allow you to do this, but this is a way that people can send/support what you're doing on your live streams. There are things like Buy Me a Coffee or PayPal Me, which lets users donate to your live streams. The pros of this are people can support if they want, but the cons are some of the donation tool companies do take a percentage and they can make some users feel uncomfortable. Again, as I always say, do what works best for you. If tip number 3 of donation links didn't seem right to you, then maybe memberships will. Memberships allow you to build a community and offer a little more. This can be graphics, early access to streams, private setups of live streams, etc. There are many options when it comes to memberships, both free and paid. You could also take the next step and make one completely on your own website. The pros of memberships are that you can provide value for support compared to just a donation. And you can also curate how much work you do since you make your own schedule. Memberships can also give you a reliable monthly income. The downside of memberships is that some of them can take a percentage of the cost of money upfront to start, and it can be a lot to keep members coming back. Tip number 5 is YouTube's own monetization program or the YouTube Partnership Program. With the new lower requirements of 500 subs and 3K watch hours, you can earn super chats, stickers, etc. earlier. This allows your audience to support you on the YouTube platform. You can set up incentives or reasons to give for something fun during the live stream. Whatever you do, just make sure you're following both YouTube's creator and community guidelines, which we'll have linked in the description down below. Also keep in mind that when it comes to super chats, YouTube does take 30% of the revenue for the super chats. These are just some ways to make money with a small audience. If you'd like to learn how to come up with ideas for that audience, click on that video on screen. With that said, I'm Andrew Can, and I wanted to thank StreamYard for having me, and you for watching.